Okay guys, we're gonna repair Too Fast staple gun, part number 1611 T0414. This is very simple. Well, I already took it apart, but this is one of the common problems on these ones. It's just the spring breaks like in two pieces. Also, there is this I don't know, like a seal that it goes on top, and it breaks very easily too. I mean, it depends, for how long you've been using it, but this is the common problem on this one. So I already got my repair. This is the new one, and also I got my new spring, brand new. It's very simple. I mean, usually a repair shop for these ones is minimum $50. I don't think you need to pay $50. I pay for a dozen of these springs, and it comes also with this rubber piece. Yeah, it comes like a package, and I pay only $25 for half a dozen. So it's very cheap. Free shipping. You can get on Amazon or eBay. It's very, very cheap. So you're gonna save. Probably you're gonna spend $5 on this, I would say, and then you're gonna end up saving a lot of money. Okay. So the way to put it together is you got put this one first on this part. So hold on 1 second. Let me try to do this. So you gonna do it like this. Alright, so that's how it goes. Alright, and then you're gonna attach this plastic piece right in there. Okay, then your spring. Okay, just like this. I'm sorry. Just remember the narrow part goes on top, alright? Like this. Alright. So let's see. Alright, just a moment, and I